shape, color, and weight. Dried strawberries are a perfect combination between the natural sweetness of fresh strawberries and the crunch of dryness. With its bright color and unique flavor, dried strawberries are not only a delicious dish, but also a nutritious and healthy choice. Cutting cherry tomatoes will not be a worry if you use this device. With the ability to cut tomatoes into slices or spheres quickly and evenly, the machine helps increase efficiency and save time during food preparation. A prime example of innovation in the food processing industry. Designed to automate the process from sorting to packaging, this line not only optimizes productivity, but also ensures high quality of the final product. Create rich and varied sandwiches that reflect each person's unique taste and preferences. Whether to take to work, have lunch, or make a quick breakfast, sandwiches are always an ideal choice for a complete meal and provide you with energy throughout the day. With vibrant colors and pervasive sweet flavors, these cakes make you feel excited and want to enjoy them immediately. Each cake is made meticulously and carefully, from the selection of ingredients to the processing process, creating a crispy outside crust and a soft and smooth inside. The attractive appearance of the golden cakes makes you feel the sophistication and perfection of every detail. Look at those delicious cakes. Each cake is a work of art of creativity and passion. With their bright colors, distinctive fragrance, and attractive appearance, they are something tempting and alluring. Each cake is meticulously made from the selection of quality ingredients to the delicate processing process. International. With carefulness and love of enjoyment, each cake brings us a special and attractive culinary experience. 2x2-piece burger packaging machine is a modern and convenient equipment in the production and packaging of burgers. With automatic operation, this machine helps increase productivity and production efficiency. By automatically positioning, cutting, and packaging bread, the machine saves workers time and effort while ensuring uniformity and accuracy of the packaging process. With the ability to package 2x2 burgers at the same time, the machine brings convenience and flexibility to the production process. Each cake is a work of art made meticulously in every detail. From careful selection of quality ingredients to exquisite processing, nothing is overlooked to create a perfect product. With thoroughness and passion, each cake becomes a true work of art, bringing joy and happiness to everyone who enjoys it. Automatic sandwich production line is a symbol of advancement and modernity in the food industry. With end-to-end automation, this line brings efficiency and uniformity in sandwich production. Every step in the production process, from baking to packaging, is performed automatically and efficiently. Ingredients such as bread, meat, vegetables, and sauces are supplied and processed automatically, minimizing human intervention and increasing production productivity. The ultrasonic food cutter is a classy software. In the food industry, providing high precision and efficiency in cutting foods, from meat to vegetables, from vegetables to meat, from vegetables to meat to meat, from vegetables 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 to meat, from vegetables. Unlimited potential in preparing delicious and diverse dishes. These fresh slices of fish are not only the pride of the food industry but also a constant source of inspiration for chefs and consumers around the world. Set-only mixer grinder is one of the indispensable tools in the food industry, especially in meat processing and canned food production. With its high-quality design and advanced technology, this machine ensures optimal performance and reliability in every production process. The uniform grinding and mixing capabilities of Sedalman machines help create high-quality meat and food products while ensuring uniformity in quality and flavor. With flexible adjustment capabilities, this machine is suitable for a variety of food types and production needs. Pork rib cutting machine is an indispensable tool in food processing factories and meat production facilities. With sharp and powerful cutting blades, this device saves time and effort during the preparation and processing of pork ribs. The flexible adjustment ability of the pork rib cutter allows you to cut ribs in many different sizes and thicknesses, creating even and attractive ribs. An effective egg packaging process not only ensures the safety and quality of the product but also creates trust from customers. Choosing the right packaging materials and equipment along with thorough cleaning and inspection procedures before packaging is extremely important. Careful spirit and professionalism in every step of packaging along with proper sealing and labeling of products are the decisive factors to help eggs be preserved and transported safely and effectively. reshaped 2024 technology marks an important step forward in the egg industry. Especially in solving the problem of egg culture.